So I wanted to communicate kind of our story, the story behind Property Revolution, how we got started, and why we do what we do. Every story starts with a beginning. I was raised on a dairy farm, and then after some time doing volunteer work and studying abroad, I came back to our family farm and worked there for some time. And while I worked there, I started investing in some rental properties. I really liked the idea of real estate investments, so I started buying some rental properties, fixing them up. We flipped a couple of homes, and we really struggled to find quality contractors. We had a terrible time getting contractors that were reliable, that would do what they said they would do, that would follow through with it. We had some kind of horror stories. One time we had a property we were trying to fix up, and we hired this guy to do some work, and then found out he was living there after we would leave for the day. He would spend the night, and it was just a disaster. And so I started to see this need for reliable contractors who would do what they said they would do in the marketplace. And there's good contractors out there, but for every good one, there's also some bad ones. And we felt like there was a big need to fill in this space. Property Revolution started in 2017. I partnered with my brother, and we started out as a one-stop shop, trying to do anything we could to serve our customers. Over time, as we grew, we figured out what we did well. We found the projects that worked really well for us, that our customers said we had done a great job on, that they were super excited about. We found the projects that we were excited about. And over time, we've narrowed down our service offering to roofing, siding, decks, and fences. Most of our projects range between a day to 2 weeks. We get in, we get out, and you get to enjoy your project in a short amount of time. It's important for us that your experience with the contractor that you choose not be like the experience that we had in the past dealing with contractors who were not honest and were not efficient, were not reliable, and did not produce quality products. We want to live out our values and be all of those things to you as our customer. Thanks for watching this video. We're committed to being your solution for helping you understand, maintain, and improve the exterior of your home. If you have questions about a project, you're welcome to explore our website. Reach out to us by phone, email, or text, whatever works best for you. We appreciate you and look forward to working with you.